Hello students, in today's lecture we will be taking up the remaining questions of exercise 7.2. Question 5th. Up to 4th question we have done in the previous lecture. 5th, find the ratio in which the line segment joining A and B is divided by x-axis. The line joining point A and B divided by x-axis. You have to find the ratio and also find the coordinate of the point of division. इनको हम रियल टाइम हम एक ग्राफ बना लेते हैं. A is 1 x positive y negative, x positive y negative. Suppose कीजिए this is 1 comma minus 5. This is A and B minus 4 comma minus 4 comma 5. B is minus 4 comma 5. You have to tell the ratio in which this line AB is divided by x-axis. Let P is the point of intersection and this is x comma G. कि जो ये AB है x-axis को P point पे intersect करती है and let this point is x comma 0. And we have to find the ratio in which it is divided. अब AB को किस रेशियो में डिवाइड करता है? K रेशियो 1. A से स्टार्ट करेंगे हम रेशियो. ये नहीं भाई हमें ऐसे फ्री मूव ऐसे करता है तो हम K रेशियो 1 कर ले. नहीं, हमें AB को किस रेशियो में डिवाइड करता है हमें इधर से बताना आपको. K रेशियो 1 हमने मान लिया. ठीक है. let line joining A 1 comma minus 5 and B that is minus 4 comma minus 4 comma 5 is divided by x-axis in K ratio 1. K ratio 1 में इसको डिवाइड करता है and let the point of intersection is point of intersection it is P x comma 0. क्योंकि पूरे x axis के ऊपर y coordinate की वैल्यू क्या होती है 0 होती है. This is x comma 0. Now applying section formula. Applying section formula. ठीक है भाई. अब देखिए ये रेशियो इधर का कोऑर्डिनेट और ये रेशियो इधर का कोऑर्डिनेट. तो x is equal to k into जब हम x की बात करें we will taking up the x coordinate only. तो x is equal to k into minus 4 that is minus 4k plus में 1 into 1 divide by k plus 1. तो क्या आ गया भाई x is equal to minus 4k plus का 1 by k plus में 1. Let this is equation first. और y coordinate कितना है भाई 0. It is 0 is equal to k into we are taking up the y coordinate 0 is equal to k into 5. तो 5k plus में 1 into minus 5 divided by sum of ratios k plus 1. तो 0 is equal to 5k plus में 1 into minus 5 by k plus में 1. Let this is equation second. Okay, first of all we have to find in which ratio x-axis divide AB. So we have to find the value of k. अब there are two equation x is equal to minus 4k plus में 1 and k divided by k plus 1 and 0 is equal to this one. अब इसमें देखिए दो unknown variable है and in this one there is only one unknown variable. So we have to find the value of k. So for that one we first solve equation second. इसको equation को solve कीजिए. अब k plus 1 when you bring it to left hand side, तो 0 into k plus 1 it is 0 and 5k minus 5, bring minus 5 to this side, it will be 5 minus 5 this side, it will be 5. This is now minus 5 bring this side, it will be 5 and 5k, bring 5 to this side, k is equal to 5 by 5, this is 1 is equal to k और k is equal to 1, k की वैल्यू क्या आ गई 1, तो 1:1. तो सबसे पहला पॉइंट तो क्या है, x axis divide AB in k ratio 1, that is equal to k is 1, it is 1:1, it is 1:1, k की वैल्यू. After that we have to find the coordinate of the point of division के coordinate निकालने थे. So first for that we have to get the value of x. The point of division is x, 0. Now the value of k is 1, we will put the value of k as 1 in equation number first. So putting k is equal to 1 in equation first. Putting k is equal to 1 in equation first. So x is equal to minus 4 into k. k कितना है 1, प्लस में 1 डिवाइड बाय 1 प्लस में 1 प्लस 1, तो माइनस 4 प्लस में 1 डिवाइड बाय 2, तो x इज इक्वल टू माइनस 3/2. x की वैल्यू क्या आ गई -3/2, तो -3/2, 0. तो पॉइंट ऑफ डिवीजन इज P, that is -3/2, 0. This is the point of division. And किस रेशियो में डिवाइड किया 1:. Is it clear? So let's proceed to the next question. Question number 6 is, if these 4 points are the vertices of a parallelogram, then find the value of x and here is x, here is y. You have to find the value of x and y. अब these are the vertices of a parallelogram. हम रफ स्केच बना लेते हैं. A, B, C, D. 1, 2, 4, y, x, 6 and 3, 5. ठीक है, this is parallelogram and these are the vertices. We have to find the value of x and y. Let इनको जो ये vertices है इनको नाम दे लीजिए. Let A 1, 2, B 4, y, C x, 6 and D 3, 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram. These are the vertices of a parallelogram. Now, अब हम parallelogram की properties का हमें पता होना चाहिए. That the diagonal bisect each other. Diagonal bisect each other in parallelogram. That this is O. O is the point of intersection of this diagonal. So we know that the diagonal bisect each other means this is equal to this one and OB is equal to OB. अब what you can say? This O is the midpoint of BD and O is the midpoint of AC. अब AC का midpoint और BD का midpoint क्या है? That is same. और दोनों को इक्वल पुट कर लीजिए and so on. Diagonals bisect each other in parallelogram. In parallelogram, diagonal bisect each other means midpoint of AC and midpoint of BD, they are same. तो क्या लिखें? Midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. Midpoint of AC is O and midpoint of BD is also O because diagonals bisect each other in parallelogram. Now we have to find we have to apply midpoint formula. We have to apply a midpoint of AC. Midpoint of AC, you will write the formula midpoint. X is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 and y is equal to y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the formula of midpoint. What to find the coordinate of the midpoint? Now, AC, midpoint of AC, 1 plus में x by 2 and 2 plus में 6 by 1 plus में x by 2 and 2 plus 6 by 2. तो midpoint of AC is applying midpoint formula. तो x coordinate क्या होगा? 1 plus में x by 2, y coordinate is 2 plus 6 by 2. And midpoint of BD का midpoint 4 plus 3 by 2 and y plus 5 by 2. Simplify कीजिए. 1 plus x by 2 and this is 2 plus 6 8. 8 by 2 is 4. This is equal to 7 by 2 comma y plus 5 by 2. Is it clear? Now this is equal to this vertex is equal to this one. The coordinate of this vertex and coordinate of this vertex, they are equal. They are equal means x coordinate will be equal to x coordinate and y coordinate will be equal to means y coordinate. ये इक्वल दोनों सेट इक्वल तभी हैं जब x जो पहले वाला एलिमेंट है वो पहले वाले के इक्वल और सेकंड वाला सेकंड वाले के इक्वल. Therefore 1 plus x by 2 is equal to 7 by 2 and 4 is equal to y plus 5 by 2. Solve these two equations and get the value of x and y. Take 2 on the other side. 1 plus x is equal to 7 by 2 into 2. 2 से 2 cancel हो गया. This is 7. अब 1 plus x, तो take 1 on the other side. X is equal to minus 1. So x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6. अब bring y 2 to this side. So 4 into 2, 8 is equal to y plus में 5. Bring 5 to this side. 8 minus 5 is equal to y. This is 3 is equal to y. So answer is x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 and y is equal to 3. This is our answer. These are the values of x and y. Is it clear? Basic हमें midpoint ये we must know the properties of the diagonal of a parallelogram. They bisect each other. After that we have to apply midpoint formula. Midpoint formula, so midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. That is same means these are equal means x जो पहले वाले के एलिमेंट के इक्वल और सेकंड वाला सेकंड के इक्वल and we solve these equations we will get the value of x and y. Is it clear? Let's proceed to the next question. The question number 7 is find the coordinate of point A where AB is the diameter of a circle whose center is this one and point B is this one. Let's draw the circle. AB is diameter. AB is diameter. Let AB's diameter coordinate of B is 1,4 and coordinate of the center is let this is O 2, minus 3 2, minus 3. Now we have to find the coordinate of point A where AB is the diameter of a circle with the center 2, minus 3 and point B is 1,4. अब इसके जो कोऑर्डिनेट हैं A के हम मान लेते हैं x1 y. Let coordinates of A are x1, y. x1, y. x1, y. Now AB is the diameter, O is the center. It means O is the midpoint of AB. O is the midpoint of AB. Then applying midpoint formula and you will get the value of x1 and y. Okay, so लिखेंगे O is the center of circle. O is the center of circle. Therefore O is midpoint of diameter AB. AB diameter का ही midpoint. तो applying midpoint formula. Applying midpoint formula. That is x is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 and y is equal to y1 plus y2 by 2. ठीक है ना? तो minus 2 is equal to x coordinate 2 is equal to x1 plus 1 by 2. x1 plus 1 by 2 and y coordinate this is minus 3. Minus 3 is equal to y1 plus 4. y1 plus में 4 by 2. Solve these and get the value of x1 and y1. Bring 2 to this side. 2 to the 4, that is equal to x1 plus 1. Bring 1 to this side. 4 minus 1 is equal to x1. This is equal to 3 is equal to x1. x1 is equal to 3. Now solve this one. Bring 3 to 2 to this side. Minus 6 is equal to y1 plus में 4. Bring 4 to this side. Minus 6 minus 4 is equal to y1. Minus 10 is equal to y1. So y1 is equal to minus 10. So x1 is 3 and y1 is minus 10. So coordinate of A. Therefore coordinates of A are 3, minus 10. 3, minus 10. Is it clear? Now the question number 8 is if A and B are these, then find the coordinate of P such that AB is equal to 3 by 7 of AB. इसको एक रफ डायग्राम हम बना लेते हैं. Let this is AB and this point P. We are given the coordinates of A and B are coordinates of A and B are minus 2, minus 2 and 2, minus 4 and P divide or you are given AP is equal to 3 by 7 of AB. Bring AB this side. AP by AB is equal to 3 by 7. अब इसको हम just by judging it we can tell in which ratio this P point divide AB. We have to find it. We have to find first in which ratio this point P divide AB. अब देखिए AB by AP is equal to 3 by 7. Now let AP has 3 parts and AB has 7 parts. AP has 3 parts and AB has 7 parts. ये 3 part है, ये total 7 part है, तो ये कितने part बच गए? 4. ये total 7, तो ये कितने बच गए? 4. ओके, एक तो सीधा ये है, सीधा लिख दे आप P divide AB in 3:4. जैसे ही 3:4 आ जाएगा, A के कोऑर्डिनेट्स दे रखे हैं आपको. A के कोऑर्डिनेट्स है -2, -2 and coordinate of B are 2, -4. जैसे ही आपको रेशियो का पता चल गया तो there is no problem in finding the coordinate of P. Okay, coordinate of P is x, y आप सपोज कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. Let coordinates of P are x, y. ठीक है भाई. अब ये देखिए, अब इसको प्रॉपर कैसे रेशियो में फाइंड आउट करना, कैसे हम इसको सॉल्व करें. सबसे पहले दोनों तरफ का रेसिप्रोकल. ठीक है, ड्यू रेसिप्रोकल दैट इज AB by AP is equal to 7 by 3. रेसिप्रोकल किया दोनों तरफ AB by AP और 7 by 3. ना -1 -1, तो एलसीएम कितना आ गया AP, तो AP से ये AB माइनस y1 था, तो 1 से AP into -1 माइनस AP, दैट इज इक्वल टू 3, तो 7 माइनस y1 था, कितना आ गया AB माइनस AP कितना आ गया PB, कितना आ गया PB बाय AP इज इक्वल टू 4/3, रेसिप्रोकल कीजिए दोबारा फिर, तो AP बाय PB इज इक्वल टू 3/4, तो AP बाय PB इज इक्वल टू 3/4, तो इट डिवाइड इन 3:4, यू कैन से AP 3 पार्ट, PB 4 पार्ट, ये 3 पार्ट ये 4 पार्ट, तो P डिवाइड, तो क्या लिखें P डिवाइड AB in 3:4, it divide AB in 3:4, 3:4 आ गया. Now we have to find the coordinate of x and y, coordinate of P. So applying section formula, अब देखिए ये रेशियो इधर का कोऑर्डिनेट, ये रेशियो इधर का कोऑर्डिनेट, तो x is equal to x coordinate is equal to 3 into 2, 3 into 2 plus में 4 into minus 2, 4 into minus 2 divide by sum of the ratios 3 plus 4, that is equal to 6 minus 4 into minus 8 by 7, this is minus 2 by 7. Y is equal to 3 into minus 4, 3 into minus 4 plus में 4 into minus 2, 4 into minus 2 divided by sum of ratios, that is 3/4, 3 into minus 4 minus 12, and this is minus 8, minus 12 minus 8 by 7, this is equal to minus 20 by 7. We have got the value of x and y, the coordinate of P, coordinates of P are x comma y, that is minus 2 by 7 comma minus 20 by 7. Okay, this is how you will find. So first point was to get in which ratio this point divide A. जैसे ये find out हो गया, उसके बाद आपने ये रेशियो पता चल गई, then you apply section formula and you will get the value of x and y. Okay. Now find the coordinate of the point which divide the line segment joining A and B into 4 parts. Into 4 parts. Let's write AB. Coordinate of A minus 2 comma 2, minus 2 comma 2, and B is 2 comma A. 2 comma A. We have to find the coordinate of the point which divide in 4 equal parts. Let P Q R, P Q R divide this into 4 equal parts, और इनके coordinates भी लिख लीजिए, इसको x comma y, x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2. ठीक है, let P Q R divide AB in 4 equal parts. Let points P, that is x comma y, Q, x1 comma y1, and R, x2 comma y2 divides AB in 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts. तो सबसे पहले हम P कोऑर्डिनेट्स की वैल्यू निकालेंगे. किसकी वैल्यू निकालेंगे? P. मर्जी है, आप दूसरे तरीके से ही कर सकते हैं. पहले आप Q की वैल्यू निकाल लो. इनको देखते हैं, आप अपने हिसाब से फिर कीजिएगा क्वेश्चन को. पहला तो ये, अब P डिवाइड AB इन विच रेशियो, ये 1 पार्ट और ये कितने पार्ट हो गए? 1 2 3, तो वही एक तो ये कह सकते हैं P डिवाइड ए बी 1:3 पार्ट, then applying section formula and find the value of the coordinate of P के आगे वैल्यू, फिर उसके बाद P की वैल्यू आगे फिर Q के कोऑर्डिनेट्स निकाल सकते हैं। Q क्या है भाई, इसको छोड़ दीजिए P को, इधर कितने पार्ट है 2, इधर कितने पार्ट है 2, you can say Q is the midpoint of AB, Q is the midpoint of AB। अब Q के कोऑर्डिनेट निकालेंगे, मिडपॉइंट निकालेंगे। अब Q के कोऑर्डिनेट निकाल लिए, फिर क्या कर सकते हैं, R is the midpoint of QB, मिडपॉइंट फार्मूला यूज कीजिए। और P के लिए भी आप ये अप्लाई करने की जरूरत नहीं, आप दूसरे तरीके से क्या, सबसे पहले आप Q के कोऑर्डिनेट्स फाइंड आउट कीजिए। Q is the midpoint of AB, मिडपॉइंट फार्मूला से Q की कोऑर्डिनेट आ गए, फिर P is the midpoint of AQ, मिडपॉइंट से P के कोऑर्डिनेट आ गए, और Q के कोऑर्डिनेट यू हैव ऑलरेडी फाइंड आउट, तो R is the midpoint of QB। तो अकेले मिडपॉइंट फार्मूले से भी आप इसको फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं। इज इट क्लियर? चलो, लेकिन हम ऐसे करते हैं, पहले P, तो पहले लिखेंगे P डिवाइड AB in 1:3। P divide AB in 1:3. So applying section formula. Applying section formula. Coordinates of PR. कोऑर्डिनेट P का क्या है, x कोऑर्डिनेट क्या है, x इज इक्वल टू ये रेशियो इधर का कोऑर्डिनेट और ये रेशियो इधर का कोऑर्डिनेट, 1 into 2 प्लस में 3 into -2 डिवाइड बाय सम ऑफ रेशियोज 1 + 3, 1 into 2 2 और प्लस into माइनस -6/4 -4/4, दिस इज माइनस, and y coordinate 1 into 8 प्लस में 3 into 2/1 + 3, y is equal to 1 into 8 प्लस में 3 into 2 डिवाइड बाय 1 + 3, 1 into 8 प्लस में 3 2 जा 6 डिवाइड बाय 4, 8 + 6 14, 14/4, 2 2 जा 2, 7 जा 7/, ठीक है भाई। तो कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ PR -1,7/, कितने आ गए, -1,7/। Is it clear? Now next is Q is the midpoint of AB. Q is midpoint of AB। देखिए ये और ये पार्ट, तो 1:1 इक्वल हो जाता है, दो पार्ट है तो 1:1। तो क्या लिखेंगे, Q is midpoint of AB। Q is midpoint of AB, तो मिडपॉइंट फार्मूला अलग से लिख लीजिए, मिडपॉइंट फार्मूला x is equal to x1 plus x2/2 and y is equal to y1 plus y2/2। ठीक है, ये मिडपॉइंट फार्मूला है, यू डोंट हैव टू गो विद x1 x2 which are given in this way। ठीक है, नाउ Q के कोऑर्डिनेट्स क्या है, x1, y1, तो x1 is equal to -2 plus 2/2, तो x1 is equal to -2 प्लस में -2 प्लस में 2 प्लस में 2/2, that is 0/2, it is equal to 0, and y1 is equal to 2 plus 8/2, 2 plus 8/2, that is equal to 10/2 is equal to 5। तो coordinates of Q are 0,5। तो Q के coordinates आगे में 0,5। Now we have to find the coordinate of R। तो R is the midpoint of QB। R is the midpoint of QB। दूसरा तरीका क्या है, R डिवाइड AB इन 3:1। तो मिड पॉइंट फार्मूला ज्यादा इजी है, तो लिखेंगे R इज midpoint of QB, midpoint of QB। तो x2 is equal to 0 plus 2, 0 plus में 2/2, that is 2/2 is equal to 1, and y2 is equal to 5 plus 8/2, that is 13/2। ठीक है भाई, तो coordinates of R are 1,13/2। Is it clear? So this is how you get the coordinate of PQR, which divide AB in 4 equal parts. Now, last question of today's lecture or this exercise is, can find the area of a rhombus if its vertices are these taken in order. Let's draw a rough diagram of a rhombus. A, B, C, D, 3, 0, 4, 5, -1, 4, -2, -. These are the vertices of a rhombus taken in proper order. Now, we have to find the area of it. तो area of a rhombus क्या होता है, half product d1 into d2। d1 means half d1 into d2। AC को आप d1 मानिए और BD को d2 लीजिए। ठीक है, find the length of the diagonal, both the diagonal d1 and d2। now let A 3, 0, B 4, 5 and C -1, 4 and D, that is -2, -1 are the vertices of a rhombus। ठीक है, these are the vertices of a rhombus। ठीक है, now अब देखिए बेटे, we have to find AC। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल फाइंड AC, इसको D1 बोलिए, AC दिस इज D1। तो AC डिस्टेंस फार्मूला AC -1 t का स्क्वायर प्लस 4 -0 का स्क्वायर, 4 -0 का स्क्वायर। दिस इज इक्वल टू -1 -3 -4 का स्क्वायर 16 प्लस में 0 प्लस 4 का स्क्वायर कितना 16। दिस इज 32, 16 plus 16 32। you can write this also as 2 into 16। take square root of 16 is 4 root 2। this is 4 root 2। now find BD take this as diagonal 2। that find the length of BD। distance formula BD -2 -4 का स्क्वायर प्लस में -1 -5 का स्क्वायर। दिस इज इक्वल टू -2 -4 -6 का स्क्वायर 36 प्लस में -1 -5 -6 का स्क्वायर 36 कितना आ गया 72 और 2 into 36 तो 36 प्लस 30 या x प्लस x क्या होता है x प्लस x 2x। तो 36 plus 36 2 into 36 square root of 36 is 6 root 2। So d1 and d2 you have got the value। So area of a rhombus is equal to half d1 into d2। half, what is d1? d1 is 4 root 2 into d2 is 6 root 2, that is equal to 2 से 2 cancel हो गया। now root 2 into root 2 2 6 का 12 6 to 2 root 2 into root 2 2 into 6 12 12 into 2, 24 unit square, whatever the unit are. So 24 unit square area is equal to 24 unit square. Is it clear? This was the last question of exercise 7 point. Is it clear?